To create a video, we have to cut out many mistakes. Then by adding the correct parts, we create an engaging video which you are watching. Today we will learn how to get 5 awesome and seamless transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition will make your video more lively, blending each cut smoothly together. We'll start the Morph cut effect. This effect merges two video clips. First, we will go to the effect panel and search Morph cuts and apply it between two video clips. It will take some time to analyze the video. Once it's done, you will see how smoothly it merges the two video clips. The second transition is the blur transition effect. To seamlessly join two video clips, we will start on creating adjustment layer in the project panel and placing between two clips. Then search for Gaussian blur in the effect panel and apply it to adjustment layer. In effect controls, set the blurriness to 50 and set the beginning and the end set to 0. You will see a smooth blur transition. Next is the apply default transition. This will be applied between two clips. And if you need, you can adjust the duration. If there is no sound in a section, you can overlay a video and set screen in blending mode. Then reduce the opacity. This will create an even the better transition. Sometimes two parts of a video don't match well. To fix this, we can zoom in by increasing the scale of one of the clips, which acts like a nice transition. Play all the transition together to see how they looks. To learn more amazing transition, click here. Thanks for studying with us.